What's up, guys? What's up? I'm vlogging over here right in front of, there goes Jess, right in front of ABC store. Totally stoked. Kevin's mother-in-law is working, so we got a little discount. But this is what I got, guys, and I'll show you guys later on. Once again, bam! Look at that, guys. Woo! Got my Hula Girl cigar, vanilla mac nut, guys. Check it out. Man, look at that. I'm gonna smoke that tonight. And then I also got Island Prince, the dark one, right over here, guys. Look at that. Oh, let's see if you can focus. Can you focus onto this? No, I guess not. But yeah, guys, we are in the heart of Kapaa town, guys. Check it out. Check it out, guys. Kapaa town. ABC store is right behind me, like I said, right over there. Thank you, Auntie, for giving us a little discount there. And there you go, guys. Let me just adjust the aperture. So yeah, we got all this going on in Kapaa town, guys. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful sky. Beautiful sky, guys. Yeah. All right, traffic is slowly dying down. It's about 6:02 right now, and right there's Olympic Cafe, guys. That's actually a nice place to eat. Has a nice view. Jess likes it up there because she likes to people watch. So we just sit by the end there near the road. Even though there's seating on the other side where you can see the ocean, she prefers just watching the cars pass by. But yeah, guys, check it out. There's a lot of action around this area of town. Are they gonna cross the road? Oh my god, jaywalkers. How's that? Jaywalker, be careful. Oh my goodness, be careful. Goodness. Yeah, gotta watch out, jaywalker. Oh yeah, they're gonna go up. See, they're gonna go up to Olympic Cafe. All right, guys, I'm gonna head home. And probably pour me a drinky once again, the usual. And then yeah, probably smoke one or two of those smaller ones. We'll see. All right, guys, let's go. Kiddos. I'm here. Oh. Hey, don't touch the lens. I told you don't touch the lens. My God, you made it all dirty now.
I got soda.
How was your day?
Nice.
Yeah, you had a good day today?
Good.
All right.
Yeah. Someone got this is another one.
My goodness, this is what you bought?
No, I didn't get that.
Yeah.
Where's my soda? I got.
Huh?
I got some soda up.
Soda?
I got soda up there. Let's go there where you got.
Okay.
Where's the soda?
Wow. Well, you went to many hoonies, Jess?
You forgot to let go the cat.
Oi.
That's why I never ate this morning.
Uh-oh. Jess forgot to let go the cats last night.
No, that's not me.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That's not me.
So what then?
You sure?
No.
Guys,
I feed a cat.
it is Jess's fault.
I feed a cat.
Yeah, we forgot to let go the cats from their cage because last night we were eating dinner on the lanai, and you know, if we don't put them in the cage, they're gonna keep on going on the table, you know, disrupting our dinner. So that's why we put both of them, Isaac and Zaza, inside the cage, right, Jess? And then we just totally forgot.
You never put that.
No, we didn't let them out. Gee, we forgot last night.
That's not me.
Oh my god. So they're out now. They're out. They're probably hungry.
You're telling me
Let's
right
see.
there when I went outside. So I said, meow. Meow. I go, huh?
Huh?
I go, you sure you guys two right there?
Uh-oh.
Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry.
Sheesh.
That's not
We're
me.
bad. We're bad, guys. Ethan boy, what are you gonna do? Huh? Doing the dishes while watching? My goodness. You can take a break from that? There it is, guys. There it is.